Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set a Shopify account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Chrome. So just open any browser and then go to the search bar and then search for Shopify like this. Go ahead and hit enter and then go ahead and click on the first link, shopify.com. After you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So once here, just go to the top. If you don't have an account, just click on start free trial. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to be able to set up your store. So they're going to ask you which of these best describes you. I'm just starting or I'm already selling online or in person. If it's the first time, just click on I'm just starting, click on next, and then they're going to ask you where would you like to sell. So you can either choose an online store, in person, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplaces, or if you're not sure, you can just press I'm not sure. So in this case, for example, I'm gonna choose an online store, then click on next, and then they're gonna ask you what do you sell. You can either choose products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, or print on demand products. I'm going to choose the first option, which is products I buy or make myself. Click on next, and then they're going to ask you where will your business be located. Choose the country, and then click on next. After that, they're going to ask you to create a Shopify account. So you can either sign up with email with your Apple account, Facebook, or Google. I'm going to choose Google, for example, and then I'm going to choose my Google account. After that, as you can see, guys, just wait for your store to build. And then once done, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.